When your student loan drops, do you feel like a financial genius who's going to budget everything perfectly, only to look at your bank account a few weeks later and wonder where it all went? Yeah, me too. As a student, getting on top of your money is probably one of the biggest challenges, but I've found that the right bank account can genuinely make a huge difference. I switched to Monzo a while back, and honestly, the features they offer are perfect for the student life in 2026. I want to talk you through the 3 biggest game changers that have helped me actually keep track of my maintenance loan and stop me from running out of cash halfway through the semester. 1. POTS, the ultimate budgeting hack. The most impactful feature, hands down, is POTS. Think of them as digital envelopes for your cash. When my student loan lands, I immediately split it up. I have a pot named rent, which my monthly standing order comes straight out of. I have another one for bills, covering utilities and subscriptions. The key is that once the money is in a pot, it disappears from your main balance. So when I look at my feed, I only see my actual spending money for the month. I also use a savings pot, and the app lets you set up an instant access savings pot that earns interest, which is a massive bonus compared to just having it sit in my regular account. This keeps my long-term goals separate from my daily spending. It's that simple visibility that stops me from accidentally dipping into the essential funds. 2. Instant notifications and spending categories. This is where the real-time control comes in. Every single time I spend money, I get a notification instantly. Whether it's £3 on a coffee or a big Sainsbury's shop, I know immediately. More importantly, Monzo automatically categorizes everything. I can look back at the end of the month and see I spent, say, £150 on groceries, £80 on entertainment, and a terrifying amount on eating out. This spending insights feature makes me instantly aware of where I'm overspending. No more guessing. It's a great feeling to know exactly where my money is going, without needing to manually track anything in a spreadsheet. 3. Splitting bills and getting paid early. University life is all about sharing costs, from rent to pizza to that Uber home. The bill splitting feature is a lifesaver for social finances. Say I pay for a takeaway for me and my 3 housemates. I can tap the transaction in the app, hit split the bill, select my housemates, and Monzo sends them a request link. They can pay me back instantly, whether they're on Monzo or another bank. No more awkward chasing or waiting days for a bank transfer. It keeps my account balanced and my friendships intact. And finally, a small but very welcome perk, if your student finance is paid via Bax, Monzo will often give you access to it 1 working day early. That extra day can be a huge relief when you're counting down to payday. I know some traditional student accounts offer things like a free rail card or a massive interest-free overdraft. But for me, the daily control, visibility, and budgeting tools of Monzo are far more valuable than a one-off freebie. It's a tool built for actually managing money, not just holding it. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.